Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a pencil stand out of cardboard. So for making a pencil stand, you need a cutter, knife, Fevicol and glue gun. So without wasting any time, let's start. First, we have to cut 16 centimeters into 16 centimeter square pieces. You have to cut 6 parts. So let's start cutting. Awesome. Cutting, take Fevicol and take one cardboard piece as a base and stick 4 pieces to the corners. Let's start sticking. Be very careful while using hot glue because I burned my hand twice. Put a little bit glue and stick it like this. Do the same for all the other 4 sides. After the sticking, let it dry for some time or else it might come out. Now after sticking, it looks like a big square. Now take another 16 cm by 16 cm square piece and cut it in half. Cut it in half by 8 centimeters. After cutting, take one piece, use hot glue to stick them in the box. And stick them like this. Do that pieces. Now after sticking, cut the extra pieces. After our pencil stand is ready, you can put paper around it and decorate it in the way you want. It's strong and you can use to put your pencils and other stuff. Thank you. Thank you and subscribe and like. Bye.